Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we have a Nike SB unboxing. I got these off of Zoomies a while back, like maybe 3 months ago. I needed to pick up a new pair of Nyjah Free 2s in the black and white colorway for work. It's like my second pair I've gone through. And I saw these and I thought they were pretty cool. They were also not $94. They were like 50 bucks or something like that. This is the Nike SB Nyjah Free 2, and it's also the white, barely green habanero colorway. So opening up the box here, we see we got the typical Nike SB paper and the shoes. And it looks like I paid $44.99 for them. I had to add something, so I got like these candies that were like $5 to put me over the $50 mark so I could get that free shipping. So in total, $55. Yeah, taking a look at them, I thought this was a really cool colorway, something a little bit different. Like I said, I wear that black and white colorway for work pretty much every day, so I had to get a new pair. But these here are really cool. It has like this really nice rubberized material here on the toe, and then like this mint green that goes down with the barely green that they call it, but it's like a mint. And then I guess that's the habanero. I really want the white and black Nyjah 2s, but they sold out and they're onto the Nyjah 3s, and I really don't want to pay retail for them. I want to pay under retail like I did for these and for the black ones, because I think I paid 50 bucks for the black ones as well. So hopefully I can find a pair on StockX or GOAT or something like that for cheap, because these are a really easy everyday wear shoe. Yeah, taking a look, you get that rubberized material all the way around. On the back here, you get the 2 for the Nyjah 2, another white Nike swoosh here, and then you get the Nike Free branding, because this is technically a Nike Free shoe. And then you get the Nyjah branding and your Nike SB in the inside. Yeah, these pretty much go with anything. You can wear them with shorts, pants, anything like that. Like I said, I wear pants for work, and I wear the black and white ones all the time. And I wanted to get a different colorway, and I thought these were pretty cool since they didn't have that white and black one in stock. Yeah, overall, really nice, clean shoe. I've had these for, like I said, like maybe 3 months or something like that. I just haven't worn them still, so still dead stock. Gonna bust these out soon. Now when it's fall, I feel like these would be a really nice color for that. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Just wanted to show you guys my new pickup. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I have a few more videos coming out soon, so keep an eye out for those. But I'll catch y'all next time.